Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Ramboat mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your character. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ramboat game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, in order to change your character, you can directly tap on your currently selected character at the top section, or you can tap on Armory as well. From here, make sure Characters is selected, and now you can see the various different characters that are available to choose from. Now, while not all of the characters might be available at the very beginning, you will unlock more and more as you continue to play the game. Once you look at the characters that are on offer, you can also see that each of these characters have different kinds of weapons within their arsenal. So depending on the kind of weapons that you like, just tap on the select option for your chosen character. Once your character has been selected, you can simply go back, and this character will now appear at the top. And all that's left to do now is to start your game by tapping on the screen to play with your chosen character right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your character on the Ramboat mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.